everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be reviewing this iMaily stamping set that was sent to me for review. So I'm just going to get everything out of the box and then I will show you what it's like. I've seen other people using this stamping set and I really love the images in it, so I was really glad when I got sent this so I could have a play around with it. So I've noticed that this stamper is in the set. There is a clear jelly stamper, but this one, oh, it takes me back this. I used to have a stamper like this when I very first started nails a long time ago. I'm not going to tell you how many years because it's a lot, but yeah, we used to have the old Conad stampers and that was what that one was like. So I will have a go with it, but I'll probably be rubbish at that. I'm not the best at stamping, as you all know. So I've got this clear jelly stamper as well, and I'm not sure about this because it's enclosed at the bottom, and it's quite long, the sort of tube that you use, and it's quite hard to see through it, even though it is a clear jelly stamper, so I'm not too sure about that, but we'll see. And you also get in this set some liquid latex to protect your skin and save on cleanup and things like that. And you get 5 of these stamping plates. So I'm going to go through these plates one by one just so you can have a look at them. This is JQL18 and there's some really nice flower designs on there. They're all different, these plates, so you get sort of a mix of everything. This is JQL04 and this next one is, what's the number on that? JQL05, and I really love this one. This is YZWN010 and that's got some really cute animal designs on it and things. And then this one is a bit of a mix really. It's got loads of things including some Halloween images as well. There's a witch and a haunted house and things like that, so that's interesting. Okay, so what I'm going to do, as you can see, I've got this colour on my nails. This is iMaily 002. So I'm going to put some of these images on my nails, but first I'm going to practice because I'm not the best and I don't want to just mess my nails up and have to keep wiping them off. So I'm going to try on some swatch sticks first. So the first polish I'm using is the silver one from Clear Jelly Stamper, and that seems to have picked up okay. So I'm just going to put that onto the swatch stick and see what the silver looks like over that pink. So yeah, I did have a bit of trouble trying to put it on because of I couldn't tell how far away the stamper was from the swatch stick because of that sort of long tube on the stamper, so that was a bit strange. But the image stamped alright and I love the flower on it, that was really nice. So I'm just doing the same flower now, but I'm using the white polish. This is a Born Pretty polish, stamping polish. So again, that one's picked up really well. I'm just going to put that on now. I didn't have loads of luck with this stamping set. I mean, these images that I'm showing you now are just a few of many that I didn't film because I was really sort of losing heart with it. I just couldn't get it to work. And then I watched a video from Tracy Bellew. I will put her channel link in the description box for you to see her video because she did a really good review of this and she sort of inspired me to think, oh well, don't give up, take your own advice, because I'm always telling people don't give up, keep trying, and I sort of gave up with this, but she inspired me to carry on, to give it another go and do it on my own nails, which I do at the end of the video, and I got it to work in the end. And I think sometimes it's just like people say, positive mental attitude. If you're sat there thinking, oh I can't do this, it's not working, sometimes you can't do it because either you're not trying or your head's not in the right place. So I got back and I tried it again and I did it and it was a lot better than the first time. So yeah, don't give up, keep trying. So anyway, yeah, I forgot to say that you get this scraper as well in this stamping set that came with it, and that's like a flexible one, so that's good, I like those. But I'm not going to use the other scraper that came because that's a metal one and I didn't want to scratch the plates because I've done that before with the metal ones a long time ago when I used to use them. So I'm a bit scared of that because I am quite heavy-handed and I can damage things quite easily. So I love this flower. I think this one is my favourite flower. That one's definitely going on my nails because I really like that one. So I'm just doing this one again, but I'm using a different polish. I'm using like a lilac glittery stamping polish. That's from Born Pretty as well. And I'm going to see what that looks like over the pink. Because obviously over the white it'd look really good, but over the pink I'm not too sure if it's going to show up properly or not. We will see. So yeah, it's gone on there, but you can't see sort of the middle part of it. It is there, those little dots in the middle are there, but you can't really see it over that pink. Okay, so this image that I'm doing now, this is the one that I sort of had most trouble with. I really like this image, and I just couldn't get it to work with this stamper, so I've moved on to the clear jelly stamper because that's what I'm used to, and it's wider and I think it's quite beginner friendly. So I'm trying with that to see if I can get this to pick up, because with the little one I just couldn't do it. So yeah, you can see there it's picked it up. So it's nothing wrong with the plate, it's just me. I'm just not used to this little stamper. So I really love the white over that pink. So I'm definitely going to use that. I don't want to cover up too much of the pink when I do it on my nails because I love that pink colour. So now I'm just going to try this flower design, which I really like as well, but I'm going to try and do it sort of a gradient one with some different colours. I tried using the purple and the white because I didn't really have any more colours that would show up over that pink, so I've just tried these just to see what it looks like. But this image is really nice, this flower one, I really like this. So yeah, I am finding it a lot easier with the clear jelly stamper, scraper and stamper, just because it's the only one that I've ever used, so I'm used to it. And I'm not the best at stamping anyway. And I realised how bad I was when I watched Tracy's video, because she did it really well and she made it look really easy, and I was like, right, I've got to start doing it again. I've got to give it another go, because it's not fair on iMailey. They've sent me this to review, and if I say it's not very good, which I wouldn't say because it is good, I love the images on it. And the reason I couldn't stamp it was just because of me, not because of them. So there it is. I love the white over the pink, but I don't think the purple quite works, so I won't be using that. So this image that I'm doing now, oh, this is so cute. This is off the sort of animal plate that they've got, and it's a really cute little cow. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. So I'm going to do some reverse stamping with this one. Now I should have really done this again, because when I pick the image up you can see that it's there, but I think there's a bit too much of the black polish on. But I just thought I'll do it anyway, I'll just see what it looks like. So I just got a dotting tool with some of the white stamping polish, and I'm just colouring the bits in, the other bits, so it's just like black and white. And then I'll have to leave that to dry, and then I'll put that one on in a bit. But yeah, I've sped this up because it's just me colouring the image in. But how cute is that? Look at it. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. So I'm just trying the flower again now. And I don't know if I've already done this one in my... Oh, that's why, yeah, because I'm using this this harder stamper. Now, this was really hard. I used to be able to do this years ago, but it's so hard because you can't see what you're doing. Now I'm used to using a clear jelly one. It's really hard to like get it to stamp and then get it on the nail. I mean, Tracy used it and she used it perfectly and made it look really easy, but I found it hard. So, yeah, I'm going to try it again with this image. And I got sort of the roll in it and getting the image on the stamper, that was alright. But actually getting it on the nail, I found was really hard because I couldn't see what I was doing. So I've seen other people do it this way, where they actually press the swatch stick onto the stamper instead of the other way around. Now I was doing that and I was concentrating on it, and if you notice, I didn't see how much I was bending that swatch stick. I'm surprised it didn't snap. I didn't know they bent that much. But no, it didn't snap. and I'm using it over a really lovely sort of coral colour from iMaily that they sent me to swatch, so I'll be swatching that in a later video. But meanwhile, here is my lovely cute little cow. How cute is that? I love it. So I'm just putting that onto this this nail. I did put some She Modern glue gel on that nail so that it, you know, I wouldn't have any problems with it stamping. But you can use some top coat or something and leave it a bit tacky. So here are the ones that are top coated. So I've got the little cow there over the pink, and I've got the flower one and the one with the 3 flowers on. So the other ones, when I was just practicing, I just kept wiping them off and practicing a different design, so that's why I've not got loads to show you. But yeah, I was quite happy with it, so I decided, right, come on, let's get this latex on. Stupidly, I only put it on one nail. I put it on my thumb, and I should have put it on the other ones because it took me ages to clean one of them up. But I was impatient as usual and couldn't be bothered waiting for it to dry, so we only put it on the thumb. And I was surprised with this because the other liquid latex that I've used, it goes on white but then it dries sort of clear, so you know when it's dry, but this one didn't go clear, it stayed white, so I wasn't sure if it was really dry, but it was by the time that I used it. Sorry, that's stamped on that nail. So I'm using this lovely flower design on my pinky finger, and it is a bit easier doing it on my nails with that clear jelly stamper. But how cute is that? I love that little flower. So now I'm going on with this design, and this is going to be a full nail design. This is the sort of the thinner flower design. So that's picked up really well. So yeah, when I was doing my own nails after watching Tracy's video, it was like, I don't know, it was strange. I could suddenly do it. Now whether that was just because I'd had practice and I knew what I was doing this time, I don't know, because I tend to do that. I tend to leave it ages and ages between stamping, and then when I come back to it again, I can't do it, and it takes me a long time to get used to it again. But yeah, I enjoyed doing this, and I think the silver goes nice over the pink as well, and I didn't want them all just white and pink. I wanted a bit of difference. So I'm just going in with the same flower now. Obviously I've sped this bit up, and I'm just going to put that over the other one. So this one is a really cute design as well. This is a little spider in its web. So I'm going to put that on the index finger. Obviously I'm not going to get all of it on, but I'll put as much of it as I can. And I think that's really cute, that little spider. It's smiling and everything. It's really cute. So that was the nail, you'll see in a minute, that took me ages to clean up because I got it all over the skin, and it was this silver polish that does not want to come off, which I didn't realise either, so I've cut all that out because it took me ages. So now I'm going in with the bigger flower design, and that's going to go on the thumb, and I think out of all of them, this one ended up being my favourite nail. I really love that design, and that'd look gorgeous over white if you did it, you know, with a gradient, different colours over white. That'd look gorgeous as well, but it looks nice over the pink too. So here's how they look without me cleaning them up and top coating them, and this is the end. I did the other hand off camera because I was just trying to do it quickly, and I thought I was going to do the same on both hands, but I decided to do some different ones. And the middle finger on my right hand with the silver design, that was that design that I couldn't get to stamp, but I did it in the silver and everything with the clear jelly stamper that came with the kit, and it turned out really well, and that's another one of my favourites. I really like it. So yeah, I would recommend this stamping set. It's got everything in that you need, which is really good if you're just starting out and you've not done it before. So yeah, I think it's brilliant. Yeah, I would highly recommend it. So I hope you like this video. It was a bit quicker because I sped it up than my other video, so I hope that was good as well. I know I don't want them to be all really long. So thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not already a subscriber, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!